Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do these two easy designs using Mylar, stamping plates, and of course some Vision Gel products. You know, art doesn't have to be complicated and stressful, and I want to show you how easy it is to create a fun design even if you're not that artistic. So if this interests you, stay tuned and let's have some fun. Okay, to start, we are going to grab a tip, any kind of tip. And I'm going to take number 83, number 19, I believe this is, and number 38. And I'm just placing the colors on a ceramic tile and just randomly placing the colors on the tip, as you can see here. I like this technique because you don't have to be careful. It doesn't matter what colors run into what color, because as you're going to see, I'm just going to mush it all together. Mushing's fun. Mush, 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 mush. And in doing this technique of kind of brushing the colors all together, you're going to see with these Vision Gel products how they self-level into each other, and it creates a color, the exact color that I wanted. So while that is curing for 30 seconds, I am going to grab my Opal Mylar from Canada Nail Supply, and I'm just going to cut out kind of an oval or some sort of shape here. I'm not too sure what shape this is going to be. Next step is I take the Universal Builder Gel and I'm going to put a thin layer on my cured nail tip. Now before I cure, I'm going to put that Mylar chunk on top and try to press the Mylar around the nail tip itself without it sticking up, but you're going to see that I struggled here. So eventually what I did is I did get a little frustrated, only because I didn't think this through before I started filming, but hey, that's where ideas happen and how designs are created, right? So I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds, and then as you see, I'm coming back to just take off anything that's sticking up. So the next step is I take the no wipe rubber top coat and I put it over top of the Mylar. This rubber top coat is great for putting over top of anything that's chunky, like glitters, and it just sort of melts in between the glitters or the Mylar here and smooths right out. So it's a nice thick consistency. I'm going to cure that for 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, so here's my palette for the stamping image. It's different colors, it's kind of got a cool effect, this Mylar. So I am taking a Moyra stamping plate. Whoa, say that 5 times fast. So I'm going to take this tiger image from the Animalistic plate here, and I'm using a dark brown and just picking it up with my clear jelly stamper and placing it right in the center of the nail tip. This is so cool. And then it doesn't look like much right now, but I'm going to show you how the image just pops right up. So immediately I'm grabbing my no wipe top coat, my super shine no wipe top coat, and that image just sort of pops up from the nail tip and it almost looks 3D. It is so cool, and I don't think that the camera is catching this at all. And I'm running out of breath because I'm so excited of how this turned out. Okay, and now I'm going to cure this for 30 to 60 seconds. And there's the finished look. In real life, you guys, this is so cool because the Mylar creates so much depth and dimension underneath the image itself. I'm just really excited how this turned out. Okay, next design, I'm taking 3 colors from the 300 series. Number 147, which is this really pretty fuchsia, 99, the blue, and number 113, which is this gorgeous teal. And again, I'm randomly placing these colors all over the nail tip. There's no rhyme or reason. I just tried to make sure that I alternated the colors. So before I cure this nail tip, I am putting alcohol all over the nail just to kind of melt the colors into each other to give it that watercolored look. And I noticed that the alcohol wasn't working as well, so I switched over to acetone, and the acetone worked way better. So once I get the look that I want, I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, and before I place any kind of stamping image on my nails, I always put a layer of the Super Shine No Wipe top coat on first and cure for 30 seconds. I really like that technique because it raises the image and it looks 3D. It is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to take these 2 butterfly images here, and they are from the Moyra number 4 plate, the Animalistic plate, and I'm using a black. I find that this black was a little too harsh, but any other lighter color was too light, and once I got the top coat on this, it just popped and I was really happy with it. So you'll see. Just keep watching. Okay, I like where I placed the butterfly images, and it looks a little kind of blah to me, but like I said, once I put this top coat on, I was like, wow. Wow. Like, it just seems like it brings the image up from the nail tip to create a space between the image and the gel polish, if that makes any sense at all. I don't know. I just really like the look after I put the top coat on. Now I'm going to cure this for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, and here is the finished look. Now, how easy was that? You don't need to be an artist to create a really fun design. And you can change this up too. With that Animalistic plate from Moyra, you could put any design over top, any color underneath, and that Mylar will just pick up what colors are underneath. It is so versatile and so gorgeous, in my opinion. So there you go, you guys, 2 really easy designs that you can do. You can add your own little twist to this. If you do recreate this, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you come up with. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.